Hi, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're actually going to continue on with the game manager script, and we have all our variables in place from the last lesson, so we can come here below the void update and we can begin by creating of type public. And yes, these functions must be public. The first one we'll call update settings. We'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. And we're just going to leave this for now. This is the function we're going to call anytime we make changes in our options. But we'll come back to the code probably in the next video for this function. But for now, we'll get some more of the simple basics in place. So the first one, again, public void, cursor locked manager. We'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close again. Inside the function, we'll say cursor dot visible is going to be equal to false. Close that line off. Into the comments, set cursor is visible to false. We'll come below, we'll say cursor dot lock state equals cursor lock mode dot locked. Let's close that line off into the comments and lock the cursor to the screen. So we'll copy that entire function, we'll paste it in below, we'll change locked in the function title to unlocked, cursor visible to true, and cursor lock mode to none. We'll change that in the comments, so set cursor is visible to true and unlock the cursor from the screen. So what we're going to do now, or should I say in a later video, is anytime we need to lock or unlock the cursor from any particular script, we'll just call back to this script, the game manager, and call one of these functions. Now, with those functions in place, we're going to come here, we're going to say void awake, and we will call those functions update settings, open and close brackets, close the line off, and the one we're going to call out of these two is obviously the cursor locked. Open and close brackets, close the line off, into the comments, call cursor locked manager function. Let's just copy that and we'll paste it in here. So call update settings function. So that's why I wanted to get this function in place, because then we could put it in the void awake. So the void awake is now complete, and we can actually just come straight to the void start now. We want adjusted FOV is going to be equal to player prefs dot get int, open and close brackets, close the line off. Inside the brackets, we're going to say field of view, and when we actually create the options screen, I will teach you then how to save a value to play prefs. But if you don't know, this is how you save values or save, you know, quite a number of things. As you can see, if I come here, there are quite a lot of options in Unity. In this case, we're just saying get our field of view value, which will be an int, and make the adjusted FOV equal to that. Do not worry if you do not understand still exactly how this is going to work. It will all become clear once we actually get round to the options. So we'll say in the comments, adjusted FOV value is equal to, and I'll put that in comments, field of view from player prefs. We'll come below, we'll say if open and close brackets, adjusted FOV is less than the underscore default FOV, which in my case is going to be my minimum value, the default. Obviously you could create another variable for minimum FOV if you wished. If adjusted FOV is less than default, we'll come to the line below, we'll say adjusted FOV equals the default. Close that line off into the comments. We'll say then make adjusted FOV equal to default. And I'm sure you're all capable of altering that. If you want to create a minimum and have your default FOV somewhere in the middle between minimum and max. We've done quite a lot of this type of programming in this series, so I'm sure you're comfortable with it by now. If you do have any problems, obviously you can let me know in the comments below and I will try and answer for you. So we're changing this line to if adjusted FOV is greater than the maximum. So we'll change the comment greater than max, and we'll make it equal to the maximum FOV. So we can just change it to max there in the comments as well. We'll come below here, underscore quality level is going to be equal again to player prefs dot getInt, open and close brackets, close the line off, graphics setting. In the comments, quality level is equal to graphic setting. In fact, how did I... Yeah, I'll leave it with an S on, don't really matter. Graphic setting from player prefs. Quality level, this time with the capital Q, dot, and let's have a look, quality levels, sorry, now, quality settings, do apologise, get quality, and that should be set. Sorry, just seem to be having one of those mornings. this morning. So quality settings dot set quality level underscore inside the brackets underscore quality level comma true. Set graphics to quality level value underscore anti-aliasing level. That's going to be equal to the player prefs as well. It's also going to be stored as an int, so getting open and close brackets, close line off, inside the brackets, little speech marks, anti-aliasing setting. In fact, let's break that up for commenting so we can keep everything nice and tidy. Anti-aliasing level equals in the little speech marks again, anti-aliasing setting, and again let's have a look. We'll say from play prefs again. And we'll come below. In fact, I'll not use the line break this time. Let's keep these lines together. So, quality settings, again, make sure I get it right this time, dot anti-aliasing is going to be equal to open and close brackets, close that line off, inside the brackets, underscore anti-aliasing level. Into the comments and set anti-aliasing level to, I'll just put to value again. And what else do we need? Obviously we'll need our music slider value as well, which again is going to be equal to the player prefs dot. This will be stored as a float, so this time it's going to be get float, open and close brackets, close the line off, inside the brackets, little speech marks, sound volume, into the comments, music slider value is equal to those speech marks, sound volume from player prefs. Fix that typo there. And the last line of code for the void start, we're going to have audio listener dot volume is going to be equal to underscore music slider value, close that line off, and into the comments we're going to say and set audio listener volume to music slider value, and let's save that off there. And the next lesson will be the last lesson for now for the game manager script, and we'll come back and fill out the update settings function. But I think we'll leave this video here for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.